channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so today I want to show you a very nice 3625 chord. Okay, so right, so it's a chord you can just throw in something like this. Hallelujah. Thank you. Okay, so let's check it out. On the keys, what am I playing? So I'll do it to just call the notes of the chord so that you can take this to your keys. So I might not have to break this down in other keys. So I'll just do it in the key of C that has all white keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So but for people who are beginners, some magics might happen here because most times when beginner sees you playing, you say you are playing the key of C, and then you are playing black keys, and it's like, okay, I thought you said we are in the key of C. Yeah, we are in the key of C. Let me use grand piano. So they get confused, but yeah, this is the key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But there are times you have to borrow. For instance, now we use what's it called, flattened seventh in dominant 7 chord. So that's one. You might have to play C minor. That's one. You use this. You might have to play diminished chord. So there are a lot of stuff that can actually make you touch the black keys even while in the key of C. So that was just for in case for beginners who might be wondering. You say you're in the key of C and you're holding. What's happening? Okay, so that's it. So all right. So 3625 in the key of C is 3 is E, 6 is A, D is 2, G is 5, and then of course C is 1, right? So let me just call the notes of the chord. So we have on left you have a 3, and then we have a 3, and then we have a 2. Sorry, okay. So let's say we have 3, we have 7, we have a 9, right? That's 4. So 3, 7, 9. So on right we have a sharp 11, 13, flat 9, and then your 3 again. So but most times you might excuse the 7. So that's for 3 chords. So when they play me, so that's what you play. Right, then for 6. On left you have a 6, which is A in the key of C. 6. Then on right you have a 5, flattened 7th, flat 9, and then 11, and then our 11. So that's that. Then the 2 chord. Now here I'm going to give you 2 options. So I'm holding. So you can hold your 2 and then your 1, right? So you can hold your 2 and 1. Okay, so this is the 6 chord. Then the 2 chord. On the 2, I'm going to give you 2 options. So after holding your 2 and 1 on left, so on right you have a sharp 11, right? You have a 6. You have a 13 rather. You have a 1, and then you have a 3. So, or you can just do your normal 4, 6, 1, 3. Yeah, you can do that. Or yeah, then to 5. This is jazz chord. If you remember, if you learned jazz chord voicings like myself, yeah, on left you have a 5, on right you have a 11, 13, 9, and then 10. Yeah, 10, or let's just say 3. So we have together we have bra, 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 5, then 1. Let's end it in the jazzy way. So on left we have a 1. On right you have a 3, 5, 13, and 9. Right? So 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Please do well to click the like button, click the subscribe button, and share this with your friends.